Hey guys, myself is Venki here. Today I'm gonna teach you how to write a simple trigger in a Salesforce. Generally the people are struggling to write a trigger in a Salesforce. Actually, it's a very simple to write a trigger in Salesforce, and I will make you like that. Generally, if you observe the requirement clearly, so actually in the requirement we are doing changes in one object, and we have to update the some changes in another object record. So this kind of scenarios will get generally in a trigger scenarios kind of thing. Only generally if you want to update the cross object field values, then we can preferable solution is a trigger kind of thing. So if you observe the requirement, so here we are doing change in one object and we have to update the change in another object. So that means here we can we can stick into one point here. We are doing changes in one object and we have to do the changes in another object. So where we are doing changes that we can treat as a source object, and where we have to update that we can treat as a destination object. We can treat as a destination. So that means any requirement we can think about in a trigger scenario, we have the source and we have the destination. Okay, so now based on the scenario, the trigger logic will be only two types generally. The requirement was involved. The source and destination are the different object. We have to write the one way. If the requirement source and destination is the same object, and we have to write the in one way the trigger logic. So I can provide the simple way to write a trigger. I'll take a first scenario. A source and destination is a different object. Okay. So coming to the point, basically trigger requirements we have. It involves source and destination object. If both are same, we have to write it in a different way. If the both are same, we have to write it in a another way kind of thing. So let's focus on might be I'm thinking as a source and destination are the different objects. Source and destination are the different object. In this scenario, how we can write different way. So I have the 9 steps to write a trigger in this scenario. If you follow the 9 steps, we can gonna write the any trigger. Same steps. Slightly logical way, difference connecting. Focus on general basic way trigger. Later onwards we can focus on the advanced kind of thing. At least we have to write it right. So I have the some steps to know the trigger logic, how we can go in a better way. So let me try to show you. Let me open the doc.